Welcome to Quick Tip with Joy. Oh boy, am I in for it. Excuse my mess. But you know what? This is a crafter's life. I'm holding my phone because I want to share with you around my desk. This is an organizational tip, okay? I have my trash can nice and handy right here. I have my scissors, and I'm right-handed, so think about if you're right-handed or left-handed. I have my scissors, my bone folder, that type of stuff right here. I have paintbrushes over there. Always have to have room for a cup when you got a drink. I chat with my ladies, and I also watch the feed, and that's why I have my iPad right there. I have little bits and pieces on my desk. So under my little Choose Joy thing here, I have like little fabric bits. I have my distress inks. Everything that I'm using is handy that I constantly use. I want you to think about what you use in your craft room and make it close to you. And if you have 50 bottles of glue like I do, you don't need all 50 of them. I have this little spot that I have my glue on. All the little stuff's down there. You can see my chapstick. I have all my cutters like here. You want to go up. If you don't have much room, you want to go up. So I have cutters and all. This is my most used stuff here that I have. I have other tools in another place because I don't use them that often. I don't use my envelope punch board every day. If you do, put it near your desk. I have tape, and this is my washi, and I have these little drawers here that just pull out with binder clip or clip type stuff. And I have my messy sewing machine that is stacked higher than the kite over here. I have little pieces of paper. I keep little pieces of paper. This is like vintage paper. Inside of this is just regular little strips of paper that I might use for something, that's a little quick thing. This is embossed type papers. There's little scrap papers there. I use lots of little pieces. As you can see, I have the needles. I have embroidery thread here. I have this cart, and I do love this cart. It has my paper towels handy, has a little cart thing here that has different punch stuff that I use quite often. I've got scraps of paper. Make yourself a little. How many times have we been in I say, I just need a piece of paper. I'm a scrapbooker. I have a ton of paper. Just make you a little place in everything that's like scrap. Just put it in there. There's my baby wipes. I have paintbrushes. I bought this thing to add more washi tape to because I ran out of room. I have my cutters down here. I don't know if you can see all of that. I have my cutter, scissors, extra scissors that I don't use every day. I have washi on the other side of that. I have another cart back here with all of my woodland stuff because I use a lot of woodland stuff. This is my extra glues. I don't need it handy. I got it close. Up here I got distress inks. Over there I got ribbons and stuff. I've got books. I've got napkins. Everything is handy, but man, this is all of my organization system with, it's got my die cuts. It's got my embossing folders and my stencils. Over here's my punches. Excuse this mess. I haven't cleaned up. I have all of my ephemera in these right here. They're all ephemera. Different. This is like a little pile of numbers. There's my eyelets and punches, my Sizzix. Inside this cabinet, my husband had to bring this with him. I put all my dies. Up here is just kind of a junk drawer with cough drops, and it has my if I'm getting ready to do my signatures in here. It's got stuff like my stapler, everything. I know where it's at pretty much. Magnets, anything that's like metallic-y stuff, that's in this drawer. On down, this is my cellophane drawer. Anything that I need for acetate, excuse me. And then I have washi, or not washi, I have any kind of, these are sorted by color. So I have any kind of ribbons that might be sorted. I also have another way of doing that. This is my eyelash trim drawer. You can see how much stuff I have. I have pictures. Those are all down there underneath that. So whatever you do, put it close to you. Have whatever is handy that works for you, nearest you. If you need your recording arm, have it in front of you, have plenty of light. I'm kind of short on the light. If you need your glass mat, some of the things I keep near me, my glue, my scissors, my awl, my bone folder, my pins, my cutters, my sewing machine, my clips. Those are the things that I use the most. So I put them on my desk, put them and made them handy, and then that way it works for me. So if you are filming, are you right-handed or left-handed? What do you need? You don't want to be crossing the camera. So I'm right-handed. You can see my recording arm right here. I'm right-handed, so I don't want to be reaching over there for scissors because that would be, I'd be crossing it constantly. So think about that too. Up here I have a calendar and I have a little bit of lace hanging there. And you can see over here I've got extra paper. I've got all of the, I have beads, buttons, and charms and that kind of stuff over there. Anyway, make it handy for you. Think about your space. Do you need to go up? If you do, that's the way to go. This is an extra bedroom, but you can see up here, I have all of my extra stuff way over there. I have like a double backed cabinet, and it's keeping all of my extra stuff that I don't use every day. So I hope this helps with your organization. I'll share more tips later, but as for today, just give me a like if you like what I have to share, and subscribe, ring the bell if you want to see more from me, and I will see you next time. Remember, your day is full of choices, so choose joy. Have a great day.